Hello
Shama
everyone.
Junejo is with me today, and we are having. Well, we've had lots of coffee. Kitni coffees पी ली हैं हमने?
Three cup each, and I had fish and chips.
Yeah, a lot of chips, yes. But I also had a lot of
Peas, just peas. She just ate peas. So
I did not
It's
eat.
obvious that look at her weight and look at my weight.
No, but we just survived a surgery. Strong woman who just survived a surgery and
Not
looking
one
beautiful.
surgery, 4 surgeries in
Mashallah,
2018.
and with beautiful eyes. What did the doctor say about your eyes?
Acute glaucoma.
Tell us about that.
Acute glaucoma.
Ye
I
kitko
just survived.
acute
I
glaucoma?
just survived.
He said we should give like a caution about checking eyes.
Yeah. So
I think we should
so
because she
everyone-
didn't know what she had.
I had no symptoms. I would only had blurry vision when I would wake up from my sleep. But when I went for routine checkup, I came to know that I was having acute glaucoma.
Well, they didn't tell
and
you
there was
because they didn't want you to freak out.
there was big damage.